My name is Swaraj More from class 9 and today I am going to give you information about World War One from our first chapter of civics post-World War political developments. This presentation is a part of our civics subject from Savitribai Phule English Medium School by Akanksha Foundation Pune under the guidance of my teacher Tithi Das and principal Merlin Ilyas. Now we will move on to our next slide, which will give you information about World War One. The World War One, often called the Great War, began in year 1914 and ended in 1918. It involved many countries divided into two groups. First group was also called as Allied Powers, in which Britain, France, Russia, Italy, and America took part. In second group, it was named as Central Powers, in which Germany, Austria-Hungary, Turkey, and Bulgaria were participants. Now we will move on to our third slide, which will give you information about causes of the World War One. There were several key causes of World War One. First of them was nationalism, second imperialism, third secret alliances, fourth arms race, fifth murder of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. Now let's understand these causes in brief. Nationalism. Nationalism means having excessive pride to one's country and it is similar to patriotism. While it can unite people, it also caused trust breaking among nations. Nations began to think only about their own culture and interests, which lead to conflicts. Imperialism is when a country tries to extend its power by colonizing and other regions. It led to competition among powerful nations as each wanted to build larger empires and control more resources. Secret alliances. Before the war, many countries formed secret agreements. These alliances are confidential and not known to people and public or even to other nations. There were two major alliances. First alliance is also called as Allied Powers, which includes Russia, France, Britain, and Latin America. Second alliance is also known as Central Powers, which includes Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Italy. Arms race. Arms race started among European nations. Countries began to spend more and heavily money on military, weapons, and ammunition. This made their economics weaker and created fear among nations, increasing the chance of war. Murder of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. The immediate cause of war was the murder or assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary. He was visiting Sarajevo with his wife Sophie. They were triggered by Gavrilo Princip on 28 June 1914 by the nationalist group of Serbian named as Black Hands. Austria-Hungary blamed Serbia for the attack and declared war against Serbia, which triggered the start of World War One. Conclusion. In summary, World War One was by mix of nationalism, imperialism, alliances, military buildup, and political assassination. It deeply changed the political map of the world and had long-lasting consequences. For avoiding this type of great war, there was a league made called Leagues of Nations by countries, but it did not succeed because after World War One there was happened another great war called World War Two because autocratic regimes came up in Germany, Italy, Spain, and other countries. Here is the political map of world during World War One, and in that there are shown alliances and which countries whom were not participating in World War One. In the side of map, there is adjoining link of YouTube which can help you learn World War One in Hindi. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you learned something new about the causes and developments of World War One. Thank you.